thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County and northeastern Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lindenhurst, or near Venetian Village, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Kearney, Zion, Grays Lake, Round Lake, Antioch, Beach Park, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Park City, Winthrop Harbor, Venetian Village, Long Lake, Gages Lake, Pistakee Highlands, Lindenhurst, Lakemore, Wadsworth, and Palone. Markers 1 and 12. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 12. This includes Chino Lake State Park, College of Lake County Fielders Baseball, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.